Trending dahil isa daw sa prettiest resto sa Pampanga, may overlooking from second floor sa tropical alfresco garden vibes nila. This is Piña Kitchen and Cafe located sa Sapambato, Angeles City, Pampanga, 10 minutes from Clark. Pagpasok mo pa lang, aesthetic overload. Ang ganda ng interiors, cozy, may tropical garden vibe, plus may second floor at alfresco area na perfect for chill hangouts or date nights. Pwedeng walk-in pero kung weekends, mas okay magpa-reserve para sure. Sa food, here's what we order. Unahin natin tong corned ribs, tangy at cheesy flavor all in one bite. Next, Piña's Garden Pizza na may cutie flowers sa gitna, may nutty notes from the pesto, cheesy at super Instagrammable. Crispy pata sisig, eto their twist on na classic Kapampangan dish, crispy sa labas, tender sa loob, tapos yung sisig flavor niya di ganun kaalat. Tamang anghang, perfect with rice or beer. Shrimp, coconut curry, served na coconut shell, creamy, mildly spiced, at may natural sweetness galing sa coconut meat. Comfort food with a tropical twist. Sa rice naman, Piña's signature shrimp fried rice, served na half pineapple, sweet salty, loaded with plum shrimp, presentation pa lang panalo na. Sa drinks, I choose pineapple sunrise, serving na actual pineapple. Ang pretty, diba? Refreshing, fruity, at perfect pang photo op. Para kang nasa beach kahit nasa cafe ka lang. Blueberry, tangy, sweet, super refreshing, at bagay sa kahit anong order mo. From the food to the interiors, Piña Kitchen and Cafe is worth the hype and worth the visit. Sulit sa lasa, sulit sa experience. Pampanga food trip, dapat kasama to sa listahan mo.